Hello, sisters. Today is give your sisters a dress. Well, it's going to sag. There's a way to hang it and a button here. In this place, we will break down and there is a light line in the two side flanks. The hands up here will slightly puffy hands and boat neck. There's a vertical cup belt from the top to the bottom. For this model, I will sew it out of linen. Silk is fine. Now we're going to start going into the design. Long top. Then, you will follow a hobby. As this model is long to the feet, your heels are up to you. I took the shoulder. I'm going to divide it by 2. By shoulder. Divide by 2, 32 divided by 2 equals 16. Then I'll take her and divide it by 5. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. So from here, you go down to the 4 parts. I will take the breasts here. Divide your year by 2. 80 divided by 5 plus 2 is equal to 18. I took down a paragraph of 18. Use a perpendicular line. Here's the number 80, and again the number to numbers 30. These numbers will change according to your measurements, so you will measure it on your body to get these numbers. Then I'll put it in. And then I'm going to divide the chest by 4 and then I'm going to divide it by 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. You can also change the number 80. And then we bring a perpendicular line down. Back up to halves. Split in 2 again. Draw the armpit line. After you draw the armpit line, you'll lower your waist. Let's lower the waist here. I'll take the measurement here. I'll take 35. Let's make a perpendicular line across. Then I'll take it across the waist. The waist is the waist divided by 4 plus 2. 64 divided by 4 plus 2 is 18. I have a paragraph that is 18. And then I went on and I took the lower butt. Lower your ass for a guy who's 6 feet tall or less. I took my S18. Person height 1 meter 60, up to 1 meter 70, take 19 and over 70 meters take 20. From here to here, from here to here. And then you're going to divide the butt by 4. I plus 1. 80 divided by 4 plus 1 is 2. Take over to 1. Then I connected this part back. You will, if you can draw the skirt, here is the skirt. All the way up to the neck of the dress. If you come here, remember to vote for me. And if you look at the pattern and you can't figure out how to sew it,
remember to comment.
You are known. 10 comments and I will guide
How
you
to
to sew directly on the fabric. And then, after you've done it, this part you will back off. Come on in, you're the shit. Behind her is 6, and from here you'll be able to draw the neck. Then I'll back it up to 8 inches. Stop a perpendicular line down here. Then you'll be able to draw the vertical part. And from this shoulder, we'll split in 2. I will draw something. It's on the side. And you're going straight down here. Then we'll get the fat spread of the skirt. This part of the dress, when you cut the fat. Then well, let's start with this hip. I measured down to 13. Then you will go from the street decor here. Then I went out and this is 13. Then you'll cut this piece. And this piece of yours I'm going to May you pull vung in? And it's down here. If I want my dress to spread out, then you can spread out 7 on each side. 7 more. I'll be able to expand the box. Her dress out the bottom. This is done from the previous body. I'll cut the body later, just for you to be more specific. Now from this previous body, I'll paint it for the back. From here, you can give me 2 inches. Give me 7 glasses. The back part of the body is less than 1 inch. And your ass is bigger than a centimeter. If I am here, I will paint. Get the old part. From here, you come back to me. 2 gas and we'll get a whole one. The body of the shirt is here. Now I'm going to cut. Cut. In this case, you should note that I cut without
When you sew
seams.
on cloth,
Then you remember the seams. And here I cut the body in front of the back. Then I'll cut the adjustment. Here's the back. Follow the red line. Here, I'll cut it from the front to the back like this. Then you can cut this part of the live stream. And you cut it up like this. As for the next part, we will to trace back the waist, so that you can paint the inside. Here I split it in 2. I'm going to step back 1.5 inches. And then this part, you're going to back up to 3 glasses. So, we'll find the zipper here. This is where we're going to put the zipper in. Then you split in 2. And then I'll draw the vertical bend. I will cut it into 2 pieces later. I'm going to cut it in 2. This is bend. In the back, you give the zipper. The zipper bottle, you'll cut it down this way. I left. It's going to wrap itself in the back of its body. It has an excess hip. Then the body is finished. Now I'll go through the adjustment for the body first. The previous body is adjusted. By the way, I will cut the old part. I cut my shoulders along the blue line. I cut my armpits along the blue line. Body first. This body I cut off is a gasoline from the back. I'll cut off some gas from the chest. Then the ass of the back. It will be 1 inch bigger than the body, so when in front of it. I'll cut the body first. Follow the blue line. I left. Then, after I have done this part, 2. You guys are going to give me this cup of tea. We're going to cut this. This bend I cut in the middle of me. And this waist, I'll cut it up. And when the sisters cut this piece off, so this whole section, we're going to sew the curve and withdraw dip. Well, you cut this road down. This cut is done, this one. I'll cut this out. After you cut the fat, then we'll put it on a piece of paper. Other. I'll cut it open with this one. It's 10 to 15 gasoline. And then when you do, you paste another paragraph. Here from 10 to 15 ha gasoline. I'm going to connect this to this. It's going to follow the body, ladies. Together with this body you join in. Then we'll cut it out. And you may withdraw. That's the right part for us to attach to. Hips again. Tomorrow we go by. Then after you get this piece, I'll take this cup pad. I put it here, this part. Out here you will pull out your breast. Breast withdrawal, breast then withdrawal. We'll sew it back into the cushion. Curved cup thread. And then we're going to attach this vertical cup holder back into the body. That's the original position here. Here you see it. Then I'll put it back in. Right around this corner. Then down here. For example, if you want to expand the section skirt at the bottom then raw, this piece will be split open. Give each side an extra 5 petrol, 10 petrol. That's how we do it for this model. Now to the hand. The hand would be a slightly puffy hand. You will measure for me. Armpit ring, front arm and back arm ring. My arm here is 23. This is the front arm. This is 21. Now we have a to 3, a to 1. I'll take it down. Give me a piece. It will be the chest. Divide by 10 plus for the year 80 divided by 10 plus for the year is equal to 13. From up here. You guys measure down here. Give me a paragraph that's equal to 13. I put up a perpendicular line next to the tree. This way, we'll have a width of 22. So you're going to put a starting point here with the ending point of 22. Then you'll leave this for me. Let me draw the same. Then we will take 23 plus 2, we'll get 42. 4, you divide 2 is equal to 4 is equal to 22. Then I'll split this in half. Draw the part. Hand. Then we'll get the hand. And the hand down here, you'll cut it as usual. And from here you expand to me. From ba to 5. This part you go back to the corner. In this part, I'm going to build a new perpendicular line. This will be my new shirt. This is where you will bring your breasts. So this is the whole body. Today I share. And I wish you success. Thank you. Hi. See you later.